Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been getting a lot of attention: protein powder. Specifically, what happens to your body if you take 30 grams of protein powder every day? Is it a game changer or just another fitness trend? Let's break it down. First off, why 30 grams? Well, that's about 1 scoop of most protein powders, and it's a solid amount to help you hit your daily protein goals. But what exactly does it do for your body? Let's get into it. Number 1. Supports muscle growth and repair. If you're working out regularly, your muscles need protein to recover and grow. 30 grams of protein powder delivers a concentrated dose of amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. This means faster recovery, less soreness, and better gains over time. Number 2. Helps with weight management. Protein is a hunger buster. It keeps you feeling full longer, which can help you avoid overeating. Plus, it boosts your metabolism because your body burns more calories digesting protein compared to fats or carbs. Number 3. Improves recovery after exercise. After a tough workout, your muscles are begging for nutrients. 30 grams of protein powder can speed up recovery, reduce soreness, and get you ready for your next session faster. Number 4. Helps you meet your daily protein needs. Let's face it, sometimes it's hard to get enough protein from food alone. Protein powder is a convenient way to fill the gap, especially for athletes, busy professionals, or anyone with higher protein needs. Number 5. May improve bone health. Studies show that adequate protein intake is linked to stronger bones. So, if you're looking to support your skeletal health as you age, protein powder can be a helpful addition. But wait, it's not all sunshine and gains. For some people, protein powder can cause bloating or digestive issues, especially if you're lactose intolerant or sensitive to certain ingredients. If that's you, try a plant-based option like pea or hemp protein. Here's the bottom line. Taking 30 grams of protein powder daily can be a great tool for muscle growth, recovery, and overall health. But it's not a magic bullet. You still need to eat a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and pair it with regular exercise. So, should you start taking 30 grams of protein powder every day? If it fits your goals and lifestyle, absolutely. Just make sure to choose a high-quality product and don't overdo it. And as always, consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on fitness, nutrition, and living your best life. Let me know in the comments. Do you use protein powder? What's your favorite brand? See you next time.